Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing great. Well, today I'm with another video of another ride. So basically, let me be very open and upfront right away. I'm not sure if this ride will be successful or not. Reason one, because of the pandemic, whenever we try to go rides, there have been so much of hassles and issues. So that has not been working quite too far well. So yeah, so as of now I'm heading to Kiviraj Motors. So today is a mixed ride, so there are going to be a couple of new faces today. So let's see how the ride is going to be, and I'll see you before I reach to that place. Bye bye. So we don't know how many people are going to be there. I totally have no clue how many people would be there, but let's hope for the best. Hope there would be a good crowd. Yeah, so I'm about to reach AM. There is a flag off, and it looks like no one is there. Guys, this is the lineup. You can see a couple of riders have arrived. Now I need to see if I can install my secondary camera over here. It's a challenge. Let's see. Actually, this is the place where we came. This is where the briefing all was. So, yeah. This is the lineup. You can see bikes. This is Sambhav. He's our person. So we got a couple of people here. The KTM 390 Adventure. We got a Ninja also. I didn't notice that. And this is the bike. And this is the flag off that's going to happen, and this is the bike. Swat pillion, man, looks good, looks sleek, awesome. So here we go, guys. The ride has been started. Okay, we have something here. What is that? Just a casual setup. Okay. Oh shit! Did you see that? Interceptor guy just went close to Sambhav. Damn! Actually, that was very close. Very close. Look at the fog, guys. Woo, woo. Man. Oh, none of the BMW. And look at the scene, guys. The fog. Wow. It's an absolute beautiful day today. It's very chill, and there's nothing much you need to expect in a ride. Amazing, amazing. Check this out. Oh, wow, man, looks sexy. It's a Harley, but I'm not sure what model is it. Looks like a fat boy. Another BMW. Oh, this is the 1800 one. Okay, okay. So, guys, you can see we have a couple of lineups here. Oh, all the Superbikes guys are here, I think. So, that's good. So guys, this is the where we're going to have our breakfast. Guys, we're done with our breakfast. Amazing breakfast. We had idli, vada, masala dosa. It was amazing. Before that, I just wanted to show you these mountains. Looks so beautiful, guys. There's a bridge somewhere, and we're planning to take some photo shoots, and then I'm planning to take some drone shots. So let's see the drone shots in 1, 2, 3.
Tongue-tied midnight. You can say all that you want, but you and I were meant for this. You know, sometimes we hide behind this illusion that we're done. Oh, please see that you're wrong in this. I don't fall in love 'cause I'm here tonight. I don't wanna say it, but it just feels right. I took a pill just to pass the time. I wanna stay at the back of your mind. We've seen it all before, and don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let us go. It's not too late. Just show it your faith this time. You can't love. We should have never let this go. No, we were the catch on the summer nights. Kids in the street that got it right. Every time I felt to let go, every time I felt to let go. We've seen it all before, and don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let us go. It's not too late. Just if you wanna go. I left it go and let it breathe, but I'll be waiting here, you see. I don't know if everything will be alright. Sometimes you gotta let go, 'cause I gotta let you go.